Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin saw an epic 11.69% pump from 85,000 to 95,000 yesterday after the announcement of the Crypto Strategic Reserve, wiping out 546.66 million in short liquidations. But what happened today? A full retracement back to pre-announcement prices, liquidating 701.9 million in longs over the past 24 hours. A quick look at the 3-day liquidation heat map shows a massive buildup of long leverage right at this area of 85,000. Bulls are longing this dip with high leverage, forming a hot long liquidation cluster from 84.9 thousand all the way down to 81.7 thousand. If market makers decide to hunt these late longs, we could see another leg down before moving higher. The 2-week heat map, however, looks more bullish, showing the hottest pockets of short liquidity at 95 to 98,000 and around 100,000. This dump may have been triggered by some major economic news. The Atlanta Fed just revised its Q1 2025 GDP growth estimate lower again, from negative 1.5% on February 28th to negative 2.8% today. That's a massive drop from plus 3.9% to negative 2.8% in just 4 weeks. The Fed is essentially forecasting a shift from sharp expansion to sharp contraction in a matter of weeks. The SPX reacted heavily bearish, dumping 2.93% today. Remember, the SPX is a $50 trillion asset, and a move of this magnitude is a massive market shift. This also means that markets are synchronized again, when traditional finance dumps, Bitcoin dumps, and altcoins get hit even harder. I closed my mini trades on BingX with a stop loss above entry to avoid turning profits into a loss, but I reopened at around 86,000. Right now, Bitcoin is dumping even further, hitting 82.5 thousand. Long liquidations have now surged to 885.78 million in the past 24 hours. The next key historical horizontal support sits at 81.1 thousand, exactly where the long liquidation hot pocket on the 3-day heat map ends. If we keep trending lower, this could be the level where bulls attempt to defend, but if it breaks, things could get even more volatile. I'll act accordingly, but I never shorten a bull run. In other news, Standard Chartered Bank, which manages $67.1 billion in assets, has its head of digital asset research, Jeff Kendrick, doubling down on his $500,000 Bitcoin price target.
And again, that should add to that medium-term top-side potential, which for me is Bitcoin up to 200,000 this year and $500,000 before Trump leaves office.
I'll keep you updated daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click on the like button if you got value from this video, and click subscribe with the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.